We are going to learn HTML and the basic of HTML. So get started. At first we have to go our Google Chrome browser, then search replit.com. Just write it and enter. You have to create a REPL, and at first I select HTML and then I give a title name Introduction to HTML. Writing that, you have to select the create a REPL. Then interface will become here. Previously there will shown some code. At first you have to delete this. For a better understanding, I delete it, and at first we have to write the extension sign, then doc type space small HTML, then the usual bracket, and then press enter. Then we have to write HTML and give some space on it, and at first we have to write the head tag. There are two types of tag. One is starting tag, another is closing tag. After, in between the head, we have to create a title. Title is must for every case, and I give the name of the title is Introduction to HTML, and then we have to go the line number 6, and then we create body tag and give some space. In between the body tag we have to write any types of word letter as might you have like to write. Now I am writing I am a Hassan Habib. I am a student of class 10, and as you like to write something, you can write. So just look it. I'm writing my own choice. You can write many things as well as you like to write this. Future, I want to become a software engineer. You can write more than 1, 2 and 1000 of lines you can write, but in between the body tag, must in the body tag. The body is starting from its starting tag, and also after the end of the line there should be the closing tag of body or closing tag. To all who watched this video, and that ends, and I want to run this. Okay, look. They shown hello, I am Hassan Habib, I am a student of class 10, I am from Bangladesh, and etc. etc. Now I am creating the line break between them, and this tag is just BR tag. Then they will be shown in different ways. Please look, I am giving the BR tag. After the ending of each sentence, I give the BR tag and then run. Look, what's the difference? Can you guess it? It looks beautiful. Thank you all.